What happens when the biggest name in artificial intelligence decides to build hardware and accidentally declares war on the most valuable tech giant on Earth? Just a few months ago, Apple and OpenAI were best friends. They announced a massive partnership to bring ChatGPT directly to your iPhone. But today, they are locked in a brutal, multi-billion-dollar legal war. Apple just filed a massive lawsuit, claiming OpenAI's new hardware division is rotten to the core and built on stolen secrets. So, how did a dream tech partnership turn into a bitter courtroom showdown? Let's break it down. To understand this fight, you have to look at OpenAI's boldest move yet, shifting from software to physical hardware. Sam Altman didn't just want ChatGPT to live on your phone. He wanted OpenAI to build its own physical devices to rival Apple. To do that, OpenAI made a jaw-dropping move. They acquired I/O Products, an AI hardware startup founded by Johnny Ive, the legendary designer behind the original iPhone and iMac. OpenAI also went on a massive hiring spree, poaching over 400 former Apple employees, including top hardware executives like Tang Tan. And that is where Apple lost its patience. Apple didn't just get mad, they hit back with a massive federal lawsuit. Apple's complaint targets OpenAI, its hardware division, and specific former employees. The accusations are heavy. The poaching problem: Apple claims OpenAI executed a systematic plan to steal trade secrets by pressuring recruits during job interviews to hand over unreleased product designs. The security breach: the lawsuit accuses a former Apple engineer who moved to OpenAI of exploiting a security bug to download dozens of confidential hardware files, even joking about it in work messages. Apple is demanding court orders to block OpenAI from using these alleged secrets, heavy damages, and a halt to what they call unfair competition. Of course, OpenAI didn't stay silent. They fired back instantly, calling Apple's lawsuit reckless, aggressive, and oddly personal. OpenAI claims that Apple is just panicking because they are struggling to keep up in the AI race, pointing out that Apple even started shifting away from OpenAI by integrating Google's Gemini into parts of its ecosystem. OpenAI insists they don't want or need Apple's secrets, and that employee movement in Silicon Valley is completely normal. The big plot twist? Even though Johnny Ive leads OpenAI's design efforts, Apple left his name completely out of the lawsuit, sparking massive rumors that Apple wanted to avoid burning bridges with industry heavyweights. Right now, this legal battle is just getting started, and it's going to shape the future of personal tech, AI gadgets, and how we use our devices. So, what do you think? Is Apple just trying to protect its empire from a new rival, or did OpenAI cross the line trying to build the ultimate iPhone killer? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Hit that subscribe button for more tech breakdowns, and I'll see you in the next video.